have you been following the news about cryptocurrencies lately?
Yes, I have. It's been quite volatile lately.
I know. I've been thinking about investing in Bitcoin, but I'm not sure it's a good idea.
It's definitely risky, but the potential rewards could be huge. Some people have made fortunes from cryptocurrency.
That's true, but I'm still hesitant. I don't really understand how it works.
It can be complicated, but basically, it's a decentralized digital currency that uses encryption techniques to regulate the creation of currency units and verify the transfer of funds.
That sounds pretty technical. Is it safe?
Well, there's always some risk involved, but as long as you do your research and invest wisely, you should be fine.
I see. Maybe I'll start with a small investment and see how it goes.
That's a good idea. Just remember to stay informed and be careful. Cryptocurrency can be unpredictable, but it's definitely an exciting and innovative space to be in. Have you heard of any interesting startups lately?
Yes, I've been keeping an eye on a few. There's one called EcoCycle that focuses on reducing waste and promoting sustainability.
That sounds like a great idea. Do you think it has potential?
They've already raised a significant amount of funding and have some big partnerships in the work.
What about Food Frenzy? They're a new food delivery service, right?
Yes, that's the one. They're using AI to predict customer preferences and recommend personalized meals.
That's really innovative. I can see that being popular, especially with busy professionals.
Absolutely. And they're also partnering with local restaurants, which could help them stand out from the likes of Uber Eats and DoorDash.
It's always exciting to see new startups making waves in the market. I wonder what the next big thing is going to be.
Who knows? That's the beauty of the startup world. Anything can happen.
Seems like every industry is being affected by artificial intelligence these days.
Yes, it's really changing the game. From manufacturing to healthcare, AI is revolutionizing the way we do business.
Definitely. But do you think AI will eventually replace human workers?
I don't think so. While AI can certainly automate certain tasks, there will always be a need for human creativity and decision-making.
That's a good point, but I think AI could lead to job displacement in some industries.
Yes, that's definitely a concern. That's why it's important for companies to be aware of the impact of AI and to invest in training and upskilling their employees.
Agreed. On the other hand, AI could also create new job opportunities in areas such as data analysis and machine learning.
Exactly. And there are also opportunities for businesses to use AI to improve customer experience and streamline operations.
Yes, I've seen some interesting applications of AI in marketing and customer service.
And as AI continues to evolve, I think we'll see even more opportunities for businesses to innovate and stay ahead of the curve.
Have you noticed how online education has really taken off lately?
Yes, it's definitely become more popular. I think the pandemic has accelerated the trend towards online learning.
That's true. But do you think online education will ever replace traditional face-to-face learning?
I don't think so. Although online learning has its advantages, there are still some things that can only be learned in person.
That's a good point. But I do think online education offers some unique advantages, especially for working professionals who may not have the time or resources to attend traditional classes.
Absolutely. And as technology advances, online learning platforms are becoming more interactive and engaging.
Yes, I've seen some great tools for virtual collaboration and peer-to-peer learning.
And I think online learning could also help to democratize education, making it more accessible to people around the world.
That's an exciting prospect. And with the increasing demand for digital skills, I think online education will only continue to grow.
Agreed. It's an exciting time for education, and I'm looking forward to seeing how it develops over the next few years.
It's amazing to see how much online shopping has grown in recent years.
Yes, the pandemic has really accelerated the trend towards e-commerce.
That's true, but do you think traditional bricks and mortar stores will become obsolete?
I don't think so. Although online shopping has its advantages, there are still some things that people prefer to buy in person.
That's a good point, but I do think that online shopping offers some unique advantages, such as convenience and a wider selection.
Absolutely. And with advances in technology, online shopping platforms are becoming more personalized and user-friendly.
Yes, I've seen some great tools for virtual try-ons and product recommendations.
And I think online shopping could also help businesses reach new audiences and expand their customer base.
That's an exciting prospect. And with the increasing demand for contactless shopping options, I think online shopping will only continue to grow.
I agree. It's an exciting time for e-commerce, and I look forward to seeing how it develops over the next few years.